in the next 5 years. Search instead for what is solar energy's projected growth in the next 5 years. Solar energy is projected to remain the dominant source of new power generation capacity, with U.S. installations expected to grow by roughly 2% annually, reaching nearly 450 GWdc in total cumulative capacity by 2029. While near-term growth faces challenges, solar generation is expected to rise by 19% in 2026 alone. Key growth projections and trends. Capacity additions, nearly 50% GWdc are expected to come online in 2025, with around 38 to 44% GWdc added annually through 2027 to 2030. Generation surge. In the U.S., solar generation is expected to increase by 19% to 147 BkWh in 2026, surpassing wind as the leading source of renewable generation during the summer. Key drivers. Growth is fueled by the Inflation Reduction Act, increased power demand from AI and data centers, and a shift toward domestic supply chain manufacturing. Market challenges. Despite high demand, growth is constrained by labor shortages, interconnection delays, and policy uncertainties regarding tariffs. Regional growth. While the Asia-Pacific region, led by China, dominates global market share, U.S. capacity is set to triple over a 10-year period to 739 GWdc by 2035,